From 1933, I and my friends were worried about what was happening in Europe.
The rapid and tremendous rearmament of Germany, which is proceeding night and day.
I think it is correct to say that the Germans are creating an air force.
So, a man of peace to the depths of my soul. Herr Hitler repeated that this was the last of his territorial ambitions in Europe. I believe it is peace for our time.
The one power which is ready to use brutal violence without scruple.
What a bitter blow it is to me that all my long struggle to win peace has
In the
failed.
arsenals and dockyards of Europe, the great hammer descends. Money for education, money for social services, money for our own people's
When the
welfare.
last hope crumbled and war could no longer be avoided, I tried hard to wage it with all my might.
We shall fight on the beaches. We shall fight on the landing ground. We shall fight in the fields and in the streets. We shall fight in the hills. We shall never surrender.
Go to it. We're there, he said.
Whereas the Vincent I saw thee, on in the moment. Whereas the Vincent I saw thee, whereas the Vincent I saw thee, whereas the Vincent I saw thee. On in the moment, on in the moment, on in the moment. Those be the coat in Mary Jane, on in the moment. Those be the coat in Mary Jane, the coat in Mary Jane, be the coat in Mary Jane. On in the moment, on in the moment, on in the moment. Then we shall have to bury thee, on in the moment. Then we shall have to bury thee, we shall have to bury, then we shall have to bury thee. On in the moment, on in the moment, on in the moment.
We'll show 'em something.
Fliegen gegen England, flügen die roten Rot. Wir fliegen gegen
something.
We're ready for him.
We'll show the bastard.